Good morning, everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about economic environment in India. Economic environment is a complex and a wide term. By environment, we have reference to the set of external and internal factors which affect the economy. The internal environment refers to workplace, work culture, collegial relation, office dynamic, etc. By and large, the business environment is external. In this sense, the external environment is characterized by the existence and operation of various vested interested groups, association, units, government policies, international activities, etc. Environment refers to all external forces which have a bearing on functioning of an economy. According to Richman and Coppin, environment factor or constraint are largely, if not totally, external and beyond the control of individual industrial enterprises and their management. These are essentially the giver within which the firm and their management must operate in a specific country, and they vary often greatly from country to country. So by this we can say the environment includes factors outside the firm which can lead to opportunities for or threat to the firm. Although there are many factors, the most important of these factors are socio-economic, technological, supplier, competitors and government. The environment imposes several constraints on an enterprise and have considerable impact and influence on the scope and direction of its activities. The environment can be divided into two categories. First is internal environment, second is external environment. External environment can further be classified into economic environment and non-economic environment. The external environment is the actual environment of an economy where the institution regulates its work. Economy consists of larger social forces that affect all the actions in the economic's internal environment, namely demographical, economic, natural, technological, political, cultural forces, etc. So now let's talk about economic environment. See, economic condition, economic policies, the economic system are the important external factor that constitute the economic environment of an economy. The economic condition of a country, for example, the nature of an economy, the stage of development of the economy, economic resources, the level of income, the distribution of income and wealth, etc. are among the very important determinants of government strategies. So by this we can conclude that economic environment refers to those external factors which directly influence the economy of a business. In simple terms, we can say that the physical and social environment of a country which assist in regulation of economic activities of a person, of a firm or an institution to fulfill his requirement is called economic environment. So that's all for today. We will talk about the characteristics of economic environment and objective of the study of economic environment in the next lecture. Thank you.